Next is center-state relations. Restructuring the center-state relation is one way in which federation has been strengthened in practice. So the healthy relation between the center and a state, it actually help in implementing the federation in practices in our day-to-day life in a better way. How the constitutional arrangement for sharing power work in reality depends to a large extent on how the ruling practice and the leader follow these arrangements. So when our constitution has divided the power into center and state, it mainly depend upon the large extent how the ruling parties and the leaders will follow the division of power in that particular state. For a long time, the same party ruled both at the center and in most of the state. So there are many incidents in which the same party who has the power in the central government has the same power in some of the state also. This meant that the state government did not exercise their rights as autonomous federal unit. So we can say that whatever the central government will say to that particular state, they have to follow. So we can say that the state did not perform its duty independently. As and when the ruling party at the state level was different, the parties that rule at the center tried to undermine the powers of the state. So if the power party, or you can say the ruling party at the center and the state level are the same, then the federation will not work in a healthy way. In those days, the central government would often misuse the constitution to dismiss the state government that were controlled by rival parties. These undermine the spirit of federalism. So there are many states, for example, at present at the central level is the BJP party, right? And there are many states just like Punjab, Chhattisgarh, they are under the ruling party of Congress. So there are many incidents where the central government will dominate the state. So this incident is known as, or you can say this incident leads to the disadvantage of federalism, because the state government is not acting independently, and in this case the central government is dominating the state government. All this changed significantly after 1990. So whatever the incident which we have discussed in this paragraph, it was changed after the year 1990. This period saw the rise of regional political parties in many states of the country. This was also the beginning of the era of coalition government at the center. So as the change was done in the year 1990, this period saw the rise of different regional parties, and they demanded that we want to rule that particular state, and thus these incidents lead to the rise of the coalition government at the center. Since no single party got a clear majority in the Lok Sabha, the major national parties have to enter into an alliance with many parties, including several regional parties, to form a government at the center. So this is the main reason why the coalition government exists. The meaning of this line is that there are many parties who don't have enough number of members who can get enough majority in the Lok Sabha, because in order to win or lead the election, a party needs certain majority, and for that majority they need to clear some majority, or you can say number of people in the Lok Sabha. So there are many single parties who were not able to get a majority in the Lok Sabha. So what they did, that the national parties, some of the national parties, they make an alliance, that means agreement with some of the regional parties, that means small parties, so that they can contest the election as one party. And after election, if they won the election, they will either remain as a one party or they will split. So this procedure is known as the coalition government. That means to form a party according to the requirement and agreement, and when that agreement is solved, they can either split or they can remain as one national party. These lead to a new culture of power sharing and respect for the autonomy of the state government. So because of the coalition government, it still prevail in our country. So because of the coalition government, the federation, or you can say the division of power was able to distribute among the different parties in the state government. This trend was